You know, a punk, queen, pillow biter, fairy, booty snatcher, rump roaster. Are you gay?
Objection!
Order!
Hey everyone, have you ever wondered who turns all those courtroom arguments and dramatic testimonies into official documents? That's because the people who do this crucial job are the unsung heroes of the legal system, legal transcriptionists. Well, maybe not that unknown, but legal transcription is definitely a hidden career path. Now, you might be thinking, isn't that what court reporters do? Well, you're not wrong. Court reporters are the amazing folks who capture everything live in the courtroom using a special stenography machine. They're the real stars of the show. But here's the thing, most court reporters don't have time to also type up every single word after a long day in court. That's where legal transcriptionists come in. Legal transcriptionists take those recordings from the courtroom and transcribe them into official documents. This frees up the court reporter to focus on what they do best, being in the courtroom, not stuck at a desk all night. And for me, as a legal transcriptionist, that means I get to focus on the part I love, turning those recordings into clear, accurate transcripts. It's like putting together a legal puzzle, one word at a time. So if you ever wondered who keeps the legal system running smoothly behind the scenes, well, now you know. If you have any questions about this not-so-secret career path, leave a comment below and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.